Food packaging can be found everywhere in our everyday lives. Most of the food we buy is packaged. Nowadays, the majority of the packaging is derived from petrochemicals and is not always biodegradable. That is to say, the bacteria are not always able to destroy it when it is composted. To address this problem, the European project Suxipac works with scientific researchers to produce packaging made from PBS, a natural material derived from plants. 11 European companies and 7 research centres are taking part in the project. Among them, the French company Legatec produces packaging film for foodstuffs. Today, biodegradable packaging does not meet all the needs of consumers and industry. So we work to improve that. We look for gas and aroma barriers for better preservation. We look for products with more mechanical strength to preserve the quality of the product. We look for products that are food compatible so as to have no health risk. The process starts with small granules in their raw state, extracted from the discarded parts of beetroot, wheat and corn, so as not to interfere with the agricultural production. The granules are fed into the machine and then heated and compressed. Following an inflation process, this material becomes a large bubble formed of a thin film. Then, the bubble is cooled down and the film ready for use is rolled up on large coils. The advantage of this bio-sourced packaging is that it is biodegradable, which is very important, and that it will gradually replace petrochemical packaging. As oil resources are declining, we will have to find other means of packaging production. The industry will be able to use the same machinery, it won't need to buy other machines, and will also use the same technology. In this laboratory, the film is tested for mechanical resistance, impacts and tearing. The aim of the film is to prevent the food from deteriorating, thus increasing its shelf life. Today, we test the strength of the material by dropping a weight on the film. We also manufacture a product here, which is a barrier film that preserves the olive oil and limits oxidation. We are able to preserve the olive oil for a year. We also manufacture barrier film for ham preservation. We are able to preserve the ham 3 weeks instead of 2 days. Here, we also have a bag that preserves milk for 6 months. The aim of the research project Suxipac is to significantly increase the production of organic and biodegradable packaging. This is to create a continuous process whereby the packaging is completely recycled by becoming compost and thus a fertilizer for the soil. The aim of the Suxipac project is to make the most of the underused and undervalued vegetal biomass, as well as reducing the size of the packaging to make it less cumbersome. It is a long-term project, but the Suxipac researchers hope that in the future, packaging will be completely recycled and go back to nature.